So hi there. This morning I'm going to talk about boarding plasterboard ceilings and the challenge you face if sometimes you have to do the job by yourself. Now, holding a board up in the air like that and then trying to screw it is a real challenge. But there is a way you can make it easier, and that is by using a device called a dead man. So now I will show you what a dead man is. So here we are, this is our dead man. A really simple device. Basically, all it is a piece of timber with another piece of timber screwed across the top, made to a length where once your plasterboard is in place, you can wedge it in place. Now, because it's difficult to get the sheets up here, I'm going to be cutting the sheets down to half size. So what I'll do, I'll get my first sheet up, I'll shove it up there, and it'll basically go in the slot between the dead man and the joist, and then tighten it up, and then I will pull the other dead man across to wedge it in place. Obviously it's generally easier to work with two of you, but at times sometimes you do have to do jobs by yourself, and also if you're working with somebody who's inexperienced at doing ceilings, again the dead man can be really useful for helping you line things up. Because if you're working with somebody who hasn't done many ceilings, you feel like you're fighting with them to try and get the boards in the right place. So at least with the dead man, you can stand back, check that everything's lined up, and you know you're good.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
So there we are, that's the ceiling successfully installed by myself using dead men. But one thing I must stress is there is a risk because you are working at height, and if you're working alone, that does add an extra risk. Also, when you're doing that work, you don't have the 3 points of contact if you're using a ladder that you should have. So you do need to do your own risk assessment, make sure you're comfortable working at height that way, and make sure you stay safe.